I'm Josh Robertson. It's going to be a hot 4th of July, so let's get over to meteorologist Amber Wheeler now with your first alert forecast.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, we've got some heat, we've got humidity. A lot of folks heading to the beach or already at the beach. Some of our friends and family already here. This is Gulf Shores, Alabama, facing west. So this is basically that surf shop that you see when you're heading into Orange Beach. So we're kind of right in between those two, Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. But you can see here how beautiful the sky is. That is our sky here in southeast Louisiana. We're going to keep the temperatures back into the mid 90s for today, about 94. I've got a 30% chance that you'll see a shower or a thunderstorm. You got a good chance of staying dry today, but not so much tomorrow. Storms increase tomorrow, and they do stay heightened for a few days after that. We also have to talk about heat. Much of the nation being gripped by triple-digit heat. We've got heat advisories. We've got some extreme heat warnings. Notice that we don't have heat advisories or extreme heat warnings because our heat is not considered extreme for us. This is something that we see a lot of. Unfortunately, it's still really tough on us when we have to be outside or we are outside and want to be outside for many hours at a time. So this is what you'll have this afternoon around 105 for that feels like. Just so you know, it's 108 and hotter for that heat advisory to get issued for us. We're splitting hairs here. It's all pretty dangerous, but 94. That's your actual temperature for today. It is not anywhere near that record that we set back in 1970 for the hottest 4th of July at 98 degrees, but it is going to be a hot one. Now, your temperatures for this evening for the fireworks, mostly into the 80s. Any kind of storms that we see this afternoon, they're going to start to fizzle. And then you've got just a few clouds around, but they're going to be some high clouds. So not super low clouds where it's going to be impeding on your fireworks displays here. So I think you got a nice forecast for tonight for any fireworks. Here is the satellite and the radar. I've got the upper level winds turned on. You can see all the weather. The storminess is up towards the north. We have some showers and some small thunderstorms that have developed over the water. Some of these trying to move inland, but we'll see some pop-ups this afternoon. So mostly seeing about a 30% chance. You'll notice here that the radar starts to flare up some showers when you get that peak daytime heating. But notice as I keep this into motion, once you lose that daytime heating, you lose those storms. So that's why we've got a pretty decent forecast for your 4th of July fireworks. Now into tomorrow, Sunday, we're going to start off very similar to today. We'll get some sunshine. We'll have some clouds start to build, but I think that your rain and storm chances start to increase. We'll have a higher chance for some showers and thunderstorms, and it's all because of the upper level pattern. It changes just a little bit, it shifts a bit, but enough to give us a better chance for some rain and storms for tomorrow. Notice that they don't move much during the day. That is that sneaky flood threat that we get in the summertime. We don't have a flood risk from the Weather Prediction Center, but we know what we could see this time of year, and that is the case, not just Sunday, but into Monday and into Tuesday. Here's the rainfall potential, and again, note that you've got these little areas of some heavy rain here and there, and that's because of that motion, that really slow motion that a lot of these storms are going to be taking as they pop up, and some of us stay completely dry. That is summertime for us here. Now we do have high pressure to our east, high pressure to our west. This look is basically what's giving a lot of hot temperatures to a lot of the nation here, even driving some of that heat up towards the northeast. Now, if we were to have this highs directly over us, we would keep our rain and storm chances suppressed, but that is not going to be the case. In fact, these two are going to split apart a little more. This one's going to push off towards the east, and when you do that, this creates a weakness in the atmosphere. That's why I was telling you have a better chance for some pop-ups tomorrow, because we now have less things pushing on the atmosphere, and you've got the ability to see those storms pop up, not just for tomorrow, but into Monday and Tuesday as well. But as we move through the week, that high is going to try to build back in. It's not going to be super strong, but it is going to try to build back in and help to suppress our storm chances as we head towards the second half of the week. They're not down to nothing, but they're a lot lower than they will be as you start off on Monday. So here's how that looks. There's your 7 days worth of rain potential, 30% for today. There's your heightened chance for Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday. And remember that even though it says 60%, does not mean that every day is going to look the same. At the same places will get rain. You could maybe get mist on Tuesday and then maybe get a storm or two on Wednesday and Thursday. It just means that about 60% of us are likely to see rain and storms there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then that number drops a little bit towards the end of the week. So here's how all that looks when you put the temperatures with it. We've got a lot of low 90s for Sunday through the rest of the week. We've got those feels like temperatures that, of course, going to be in the triple digits. But the positive here is that when you have those storm chances, you do lower that heat risk a little bit. So that's helpful for us here. But it is something to note if you're going to be on the water, which very easy to be on the water today, as you can see there by the marine forecast. That heat stress is really going to be